Hey there, you have some Spam? Then I have a great fried rice recipe that I think you'll love. Let's get started. I have some green onions. We're going to chop these up. Watch those fingers. I'm going to do a little extra for the topping. Okay. I have a couple of buds of garlic, nice sized pieces. Just going to chop those up. It's good enough. And I have a piece of onion, white onion. I'm just going to chop these up like this. I need me a bigger chopping board. I'm always having little soldiers fall off on the floor. Already. So we've taken care of that. Our Spam. Just going to take this out of here. And it usually won't just come out by itself, so I just put a couple of holes on the bottom side to give it some air so it can release. Voila. I think I'm going to take half, a little more than half maybe. That should do it. We're just going to chop this up. That's good. You just chop them into little squares. Little chunks, bite-sized pieces, whichever you choose to call it. I think that's perfect. Just kind of break them loose. Here in my heated pan, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. And this is vegetable oil I'm using. That should do it. Yeah, I think that's plenty. I have 2 eggs. Be careful with your shells. If you like more eggs, just add more eggs. We're just going to cook these up really quickly. And we're not going to cook them hard. We are going to like soft scramble them because we're going to put them in again. And they're going to cook some more. And that's about it. I'm going to take these out, set them aside, wipe this pan out. We're going to use it again. I'm going to add some more oil to the pan. I think that's plenty. That was about a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons or so. We want our pan to be hot. Turn it up a little bit. It's ready. So I'm going to add in my onions. And my garlic. Gonna flavor up this oil. We're gonna cook this for about a minute or so. It's already so fragrant. That's been about a minute or so. Now we're going to add in our Spam, the star of the show. We want them to brown up like that, but don't let them burn. See how nicely that's browned up, but you want to kind of keep stirring it because you see your onions and whatnot are browning up, kind of brown. You don't want them to brown up too much. I'm going to turn that down. And I have some white rice. Now you want to use day-old white rice, or you can just cook it ahead of time and let it sit in the fridge and dry out for a couple hours. You don't want it to be wet. Pot is calming down. I have some white pepper. You have black pepper, just use black pepper. I have some teriyaki sauce. I'm going to put about 4 tablespoons in there. Let me see. 2 tablespoons. I'm sorry, did I say 4? Oh, sorry. Smells so good. Toss that around. I have some soy sauce. I'm just gonna do a few shakes. You can always add more to your personal serving if you need more soy sauce. Going to add these eggs back in. I'm going to break them up a little. There you go. You want to try to get a bite of egg in every bite. And we're going to add those green onions. I'm changing my utensils from one to the other. I'm going to turn this off. Oh, that smells so good. Those onions just really set it off. The green onions. good. Delicioso. Well, I wish I could have said that in Chinese or Japanese or something like that. Okay, that's turned off. Let me put us some on the plate so we can taste it. We're going to add these green onions on top here. And on top here. And I like crackers with my fried rice. Preferably saltine crackers, but unfortunately I don't have any, so I'm eating ribs. Let's just taste this. Get a piece of Spam. Okay, it's really good. However, I let my garlic cook a little bit too long. Didn't destroy the dish, but it would have made it much better if I didn't. So, if you make this dish when you're cooking your garlic, try not to burn it. But this is good. I'm going to take one more bite. Well, thanks for watching, and remember to pray. And trust in the Lord with all your heart. Do not depend on your own understanding. Seek His will in all that you do, and He will show you which path to take. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so much. Share with friends and family and comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, you stay safe, you stay well, and you stay blessed. Hey, I love you. Yeah, you. I really do. Get a little bit of this. Alrighty. Later.